Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing keys and selecting the right tool. Install Signal or a PGP client, then generate a fresh key pair, 2048 bits minimum or curve 25519 for modern security. Once generated, export your public key and share it with the recipient. Do not send private keys. Make sure to verify the key fingerprint with the other person over a trusted channel so you avoid man-in-the-middle attacks. This first step establishes trust and ensures you're encrypting to the correct recipient before composing anything sensitive. Now encrypt the actual message. Compose your plaintext locally and avoid saving drafts in cloud accounts that aren't encrypted. Use the recipient's public key in your app or GPG command to encrypt. If required, attach your digital signature so the recipient can verify authenticity. For large files, the system will typically use hybrid encryption. Generate a random symmetric key, encrypt data with AES 256, then encrypt that key with the recipient's public key. Once done, confirm the ciphertext looks like a block of non-readable data before finally send the encrypted payload through your chosen channel, secure messenger, encrypted email, or an authenticated file transfer. After sending, ask the recipient to confirm they received it and could decrypt successfully. Make sure signature verification passed so both confidentiality and integrity are established. If something goes wrong, recheck fingerprints, ensure the correct public key was used, and confirm the recipient's client supports the cipher and padding in use. If necessary, re-encrypt with compatible settings and resend after resolving any key mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.